My name is Francisco Sandoval, and I'm doing the apprentice position here at Cascade Collision in Lehi, Utah. The reason why I pursued the apprenticeship here at Cascade is I just love being around cars.
My name is Natalie Snow. I'm the Controller and Human Resources Manager for Cascade Collision Repair. We feel like by having the apprenticeship program, we're able to get people who don't have any experience in the auto industry but would like to, and we're able to provide them with the tools and the knowledge that they need to be able to further their career.
I would recommend the apprenticeship to a family or friend. As an apprentice, you're getting paid, so you're getting almost reimbursed for your time being here. If there's no job here, you can definitely find another job elsewhere doing what you learned here. I mean, it's gonna stick with you for the rest of your life.
I would recommend the apprenticeship program for other businesses because it's allowed us to fast track people who have no knowledge in the industry and turning them into people who have extreme knowledge in the industry and the knowledge that they need to be able to actually build a career. And then obviously that helps our business grow because we're able to train and retain employees in our industry rather than having them come in as a temporary job and then leaving.
It's such a good blessing for me and my family. Doing what you like and getting paid for it immensely, like what else could you want?